Hi guys, welcome back to my Macrame channel. In this video, I would like to share with you 3 ways to start a macrame plant hanger without a ring. With this way, you will have a perfect clasp without any extra joints and very durable. Put the midpoint of these cords on the hook. And then take another cord to make the working cord. The working cord is longer than the others, about 1.2 meters. Since this cord is also used to make the straps of plant hanger after the clasp is done, fold it in half and start tying the square knot at the center point. Push this knot up about 5 to 7 centimeters, so that will make the cords on both sides equal. Then you continue tying the square knot until you get a piece of square knot about 10 to 12 centimeters. Tie 2 more square knots to connect the 2 ends together. When you're done, you will have a clasp that's completely free of any extra cords and will be very sturdy and durable. The working cord will always be longer than the others, about 1.2 meters. Fold the working cord into 2 parts, so that the part that we use to tie is about 1.2 meters longer than the rest. And then tie a lark's head knot at the middle point. Push this knot up about 5 to 7 centimeters, so that will make the cords on both sides equal. And continue tie lark's head knot until you have a piece of lark's head knot is about 10 to 12 centimeters. Tie 2 square knots to connect the two ends together. Just like the clasp did before, the working cord is always longer than the other cords, about 1.2 meters. You also fold the working cord into two parts, so that the part that you use to tie is about 1.2 meters longer than the rest. Use the longer piece of the working cord to wrap. For the shorter piece of the working cord, you put on the hook to prevent it from getting tangled. During the wrapping process, you should tighten it tightly. Pass the working cord through this loop. And then push the loop to tighten it. Tie 2 square knots to connect the two ends together.